Today, I have another poly bag, LEGO Ninjago 30650, Kai and Rapton's Temple Battle. This poly bag, much like the last I reviewed, is really a pack focused around the minifigures inside, which are Kai and Rapton. Flipping it around, we can take a sneak peek at the 47 total included pieces, which do be looking very nice. I'm excited to get into opening it up and add Kai to my collection with the other ninjas, so let's do just that. Opening it up, we get a better look at all the pieces included within. Some notable ones apart from the minifigures are the tall 1x1 bricks. Everything else is pretty common, pretty basic. Again, what really shines here is the minifigures and their included accessories. Starting with Rapton, he is a really great minifigure featuring a lot of detail, including a back print, and I am happy to see such good leg printing featured on him, even if just on the front. While fairly simple, I really do like his hairpiece and its texture as well. Moving on to Kai, he again is a great minifigure, featuring printing in all the same places as Rapton and the shoulder piece that allows his two swords to sit on his back. While both are great, unlike Batman 1992, they can be found in 4 and 6 different sets, making them common. While not the bread and butter, I cannot completely write off the build. For being so small, it was still enjoyable to build and looks decent for the scale. I really like the addition of the hanging lantern seen being built now and the eventual use of the gold frog piece atop the build. Having bamboo along the front is also a nice touch. Cleaning up, let me show you the build a little more closely now. In all its glory, here is the build. If you found this video informative or helpful in deciding whether you want the set, leave it a like. For more reviews in the future, subscribe to the channel, and you better remember, stay crazy.